It's a product reveal unboxing time with the puffer blanket. Let's get to this. What's up, bag babes? This is the review snack sneak peek of the foldable puffer blanket in the blue gradient. This is a new product for the fall winter catalog. So if you want to know what this is about and how this makes it this blanket super unique, this is the video for you. All right, if you don't know who I am, my name is Rockstar Rochelle in the virtual world. I'm your 31 consultant virtually here on YouTube. So if you love the vibe in this tribe, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a big like. And I have a playlist down below and up above for all the fall winter products that I've done on this channel. I am super excited about this puffer jacket. A backstory to me, I'm one of those women who are always cold, okay? And so I just love a blanket. I always keep one in my Jeep during the winter time because I'm one of those who like to sleep in their cars, okay? I'm already impressed. So right away, it comes already in a sack of some form. This feels like a tent, sleeping bag, even like thicker, more smoother kind of material, okay? So you can hear it, right? Would I say it's waterproof? No. Would I say it's water resistant? Probably, just because of the material, right? I love that it has a durable, you see how it's like a durable strap right there? And then also it has a clip right here. So I love that already because then I can actually clip this to the back of like the headrest in my trunk so that it keeps the bottom space to available for other storage. So clippable bottom already, I'm sold on that. I did not even know that was a feature, so I'm glad that this helped you. And let's see. Oh, I see how it goes. So this is how you unfold it like this. All right, so right here there is like a plastic or some kind of, I don't know if you see that, like some kind of like a hard piece right there, so that it's kind of like a Ziploc. You put the two together and then you roll it. Okay, I dig that. Good, easy, straightforward kind of ways to repack this. Right there, you see right here, and then let's pull it out. Okay, puffer jacket, puffer material, quilted is so my thing. It's kind of one of those classic styles that never go out. So I was super excited when I saw this. Again, you could totally personalize it just like our blankets. It would be on the corner. Here is a little picture of what it would look like if it was personalized. Here we go. It just rolls up, unfolded. I love how it has the orange straps. We'll figure it out together what that means. So fold it in half and then fold it like almost 3 parts. So this thing is huge. I mean, huge, okay? It keeps going and going. Okay, I'm standing on something. This is huge. I will put the measurements down below in the description and also a link that takes you to it. So one side is all navy blue and the other side is like a blue gradient. So it's like an ombre. I love that. You see how it just ombres out as it keeps going? It's super thick. Not too thick where it's heavy, but it's thick where it keeps warm. One thing I love about this that really sold me is for you bag babes who watch your kids like on the field. They got 2 clips right here. Like, what the heck am I gonna do with these clips? Let me show you. Because you know, we all are super women and this is our cape. All right, so right here, it clips right here and boom. Now I'm hands-free. Can I get my pumpkin spice latte? Can I get my snacks? Great job, kiddo! I can clap, I can cheer, I can move about the cabin. Let me just stand up in here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, sold. Okay, here, right here is in this corner. This is probably where the personalization would go because there's a little flap right here. Not too sure what this is, but I'm assuming that's where I would put my snacks. So kidding. But that's probably where they put the personalization. It would go right there. This is the puffer blanket. All right, this is it. How can I get it back? Here's the video for you if you want to know how to get it back into place. It was this way. All right, you want to get the short end first. Fold it right here. Fold it right here. Fold it in half. Boom. And then fold this guy in half, okay? And then just want to make sure that it's all the same length. Then fold it in half. You got all the orange pieces together. See? And then we are just going to roll it like a sushi roll, okay? I don't know what you were thinking, but roll it like a sushi roll. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, rolling on the river. All right, bag babes, there you go. Then you just stick it into this right here. You take those hard pieces that I said, and it stays clipped open. The only thing about this, and again, I'm standing up, it's that slippery content. So you just have to make sure you don't lose a grasp of it, but it's also one of those materials where it's like, I don't think it's gonna fit. You're like, oh, you're gonna make it fit. Look, I don't think it's gonna fit. Oh, you're gonna make it fit because it's that puffer. You just gotta let the air out, right? Girl, you're getting a little air out of my lungs. That's what's happening right now. All right, there you go. You seal, sign, seal, deliver. I'm yours. All right. Then you roll it, and then boom. It's ready. So far I'm sold. I'm liking it. I love how it's compact. I like that it's thick because I know it will keep me warm because I'm already sweating. All right, so if you want more reviews, let me know which product you would like to know. Again, there's a playlist down below just for you guys to go see the other products. There's customer specials. There's the biggest secret is to get in behind the pink bubble so that you can get all access and all these goods at a special price just for you. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be honored. Again, how to get a hold of me is down below, down in the description. So if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. And if you want more reviews like this, check out this playlist. I'll see you next time, y'all. Bye!